We've had a turn of events this past week dealing with a Supreme Court ruling with the Missouri First map that we were able as a body with our constitutional duty giving to us by Article 3, Section 45 to draw these maps. And what this remonstrance does is it calls out the Boone County clerk because she put out in a press statement yesterday that she is not going to follow the law. The Supreme Court was explicitly clear stating that this is the map, and she's put out that she's not going to follow the law and she will not abide by the law. And I think that this is repugnant. I think this is unbecoming of a clerk who's meant to be an umpire on the field executing the law of the land, of the states that are passed by this body, this entire General Assembly, signed by the governor, and is now, again, the law of the land. And I'd just like to say, could you imagine, and her statement, again, the Boone County clerk, her statement was that because there's pending litigation upon these maps, then I'm going to revert back to the old law. Well, could you imagine the chaos, the anarchy that would occur by all the laws in this state that do have some pending litigation, that we're now going to have elected officials topsy-turvy doing these sorts of things against the state, and especially against people voting on who their representative is. So I am, with this remonstrance, giving to the end of close of business for this county clerk from Boone to rescind this ridiculous, nonsensical statement that she's doing, or I will be putting together a letter and asking the Attorney General and the Boone County prosecutor to get involved, and invoking the statutory aspect of Statute 106 of the Chapter 106, which would be a removal of her from her office. I think this is very unbecoming, again, of a Boone County clerk, the one that is supposed to implement the laws, procedures for election processes in our county elected officials. And when we have a county elected official that is refusing that, this is egregious, and we have to cut the head off of this snake if this is to be allowed, because we cannot allow this. Again, this would be complete chaos and pandemonium when it comes to electing the people who represent us. So I'm not taking up the rest of the day. I just wanted to bring that up and bring this before the body because, again, I think it should anger everyone regardless of political party that this is occurring.